And you know the repercussion of that? Probably that's a game plan. Pag halimbawa pagtungtong ng Senate, because there's probability na mag-file sila or they will act on the motion that they do not have jurisdiction on the impeachment complaint at madidismiss yan, what happens will be yung naka-junk na plunder case ni Sara sa ombudsman.
Yeah, I agree.
Yes.
That's
And pag
a game
nakuha
plan.
niya yan, at within that matter, filean siya ng
But can you,
administrative disqualification, yun.
but can you be ombudsman if you have a case na nandyan sa ombudsman? Isn't that a conflict of interest?
We are talking about people na garapalan eh.
Yeah.
We should be asking that question if people we understand na bawal ka dyan kasi conflict of interest dyan, kapatid mo, DILG, yung mga ibang members of family are in the politics, that if within your jurisdiction, ikaw din may mga kaso, 4 pa yata. But nonetheless, sabi niya na hindi pa naman ako convicted, walang ganyan. But I think that the bigger play is not about why suddenly you have 3 more year term as Justice Secretary. But suddenly, on the last day of filing probably of, kasi I think magko-close na yung application for ombudsman position, suddenly you made a play on that. I do not think that that's coincidental.